Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. This cup holder has been an absolute game changer for me. Let me walk you through why that is. So since I've been using a wheelchair, carrying my drink and my phone has been very tricky and very messy. But using this cup holder has been so helpful. I can place it literally anywhere because it's fully adaptable and it's very, very sturdy. So whether you're looking for a cup holder for your wheelchair, your walker, your baby stroller, or even the carriage at the grocery store, this has been such a useful accessory for me. Not only does it hold my cell phone securely, even though I have a pop socket, there's plenty of room. It has this grippy interior, so different sized cups will be able to fit securely, and it has an opening right here if you have a handle on your cup. And what I like most is the fully adjustable clip. So not only is it adjustable for the width of what you're attaching it to, but you can turn it into whatever direction you want and it will remain secure. So this has just been so great for me. It's a hands-free extra cup holder wherever I need it. It has not disappointed me, and I know it's not going to disappoint you. And that is my point of view.